Welcome back to Enterprise Digests TV, where we're about to unlock the secrets to successful lead generation. Have you ever wondered how businesses consistently find those golden prospects who are genuinely interested in what they offer? Well, wonder no more because, in this video, we're going to demystify the art of lead generation. So, what exactly is lead generation? At its core, lead generation is like prospecting for gold in the digital age. It's the process of identifying, attracting, and nurturing potential customers, leads, who have expressed genuine interest in your products or services. These are the people who are more likely to convert into loyal customers and advocates for your brand. Now, why is lead generation so critical for your business? Picture this: you have a bucket full of water, and you want to keep it from drying up. Leads are like the lifeblood that keeps your bucket filled. Without a steady stream of leads, your business can stagnate, or even worse, dry up. But with a robust lead generation strategy, your business can thrive, grow, and flourish. But not all leads are created equal. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Quality leads are those who are not only interested but are also a good fit for what your business offers. They are more likely to engage with your content, convert into customers, and stay loyal to your brand. To kickstart your lead generation journey, you need a powerful tool in your arsenal, the lead magnet. A lead magnet is like a lighthouse that attracts potential leads to your business. It's something of value that you offer to your audience in exchange for their contact information, typically an email address. Lead magnets come in various forms, from ebooks and webinars to templates, free trials, and exclusive offers. The key is to choose a lead magnet that resonates with your target audience and solves a specific problem they have. Here's the psychology behind it: when you offer something valuable for free, it builds trust and reciprocity with your audience. They are more likely to give you their contact information because they see the value in what you're offering. For instance, let's say you run a fitness blog. Your lead magnet could be a free, 7-day healthy eating plan, tailored to your audience's fitness goals. People interested in improving their health and fitness are likely to opt in for this valuable resource, and voila, you've got yourself a new lead. But remember, having a great lead magnet alone won't cut it. You need a compelling call to action, CTA, that guides your viewers on what to do next. It could be as simple as, download your free healthy eating plan now, or click the link below to get started. The key is to make it clear and enticing. Section 2. Creating a lead magnet. First things first, let's revisit the lead magnet concept. Imagine your lead magnet as the irresistible bait in the vast sea of the internet. It's something so enticing that your audience simply can't resist, and in return, they gladly share their contact information with you. Why is this crucial? Well, your lead magnet is the gateway to your sales funnel. It's your opportunity to make a memorable first impression and showcase your expertise. A well-crafted lead magnet not only attracts leads but sets the stage for a lasting customer relationship. The secret sauce to creating a compelling lead magnet? It all starts with understanding your audience. You need to know their pain points, desires, and what keeps them up at night. The more you know, the better you can tailor your lead magnet to their needs. Now, let's explore the diverse world of lead magnets. They come in various flavors, from ebooks and checklists to webinars and quizzes. The key is to choose a format that aligns with your audience's preferences and provides a quick win. For instance, if you're in the world of finance, your audience might crave a budgeting mastery guide. If you're in the beauty industry, a skincare routine planner could be a hit. Think about what information or tools would genuinely make their lives better. Remember, the best lead magnets solve a specific problem or answer a burning question. They offer immediate value. Your audience should think, wow, this is exactly what I needed. Once you've decided on your lead magnet, pay attention to its design and presentation. It should look professional and be easy to digest. Use high-quality graphics, clear formatting, and engaging visuals to make it visually appealing. And don't forget the power of a compelling title. Your lead magnet's title should be catchy, specific, and promise a clear benefit. For our budgeting mastery guide, a title like Master Your Finances, the ultimate budgeting guide would work wonders. Your landing page should be a dedicated page on your website where visitors can download the lead magnet in exchange for their contact information. When creating your landing page, craft a compelling call to action, CTA. Instead of a generic submit button, use persuasive phrases like get my free guide or send me the secrets. Make it crystal clear what your audience should do next. Lastly, remember that perfection comes through iteration. Test different lead magnets, titles, and landing page designs to see what resonates best with your audience. Analytics and feedback are your best friends in this journey.